Hey everybody, Steve Bergen, and this is a spoiler alert. Sorry to do this, but this is to give you the program to reverse a word, and you can study it, make it your own, and then of course you can throw it away and do it yourself. So the program, as you know, is I click the green flag and I type in spoiler, and then it finds the length, spells it backwards, and then it uses the say command to say the reverse is RELIOPS. Now come and look with me over here, and I'll try to make this clear, right? Separating things. When the green flag is clicked, we're going to set a variable called new word to blank. You don't know why yet, so just ignore that command for now. It'll make more sense a little bit later. Of course, it's going to begin with ask me a word and I will reverse it. That word is going to go into answer because we're all smart and we know that the ask command generates an answer. So now I'm putting the word answer into the variable called word. I'm going to need to know the length of that word, and so I use this command, set len, another variable, to the length of the word. So if the word is spoiler, the length of word, length is a light green operator command, the length of word would be 7. And then, and this is funky, but we're going to choose C, the counter, to begin with the length of the word. So C is going to be 7. We're going to have something happen 7 times, and that's what the repeat loop is all about. We're going to have C decrease by 1. So C started as being 7, and we're going to change C to be 6. This is supposed to say length plus 1, and it does. It says length plus 1. So C was the length plus 1, and there was a little bug in that program. So if length was 7 for spoiler, C would be 8. Sorry about that. We're going to repeat something 7 times. Each time we're going to decrease C by 1. So C, which used to be 8, now goes to be 7. Why? Because this is the key line. Let me see if I can peel it off for you here. Set letter to be letter C of the word. So the variable LTR will be the 7th letter of word, then the 6th letter, then the 5th letter, then the 4th letter. I'm going to have it say the letter out, and then we're going to have a new variable join the same variable and the word letter. This whole program does the task. There are many, many other ways to do this. What are the difficult elements here? Well, first is the idea that you want to count backwards. You have spoiler from 7 to 1. Repeat 7 times with the change by -1 counts backwards. Set LTR to be the 7th letter. That's not too complicated. That's no big hurdle. So we have a variable be the 7th letter. The say command is no big deal. This is a big deal. This command here that says set new word to join new word and letter is fairly sophisticated and complicated. It's saying whatever the new word is, it's going to be the same as the new word that it used to be plus the letter. So at first, of course, the letter is S, so the new word becomes S. Then the next letter in spoiler is P, going from the backwards. So the new word would join S to the letter P. Hope that helps. Obviously, our phone time, video conferencing time can help as well. It's because of this command that I had to put the starter command up to set the new word to be blank. All right, I warned you this was a spoiler alert, and I also tell you that this is getting complicated. Right, programming starts off, and we all we're all make progress with basic commands. It does get involved with complexity, and the only way to deal with complexity, right, is to get your head in it and get someone to explain it piece by piece so you can finally understand it. Once you understand it, throw it away. See if you can now recreate the program. Good luck.